you can see who actually viewed your TikTok video. So here's how you can check it out. So first, from your TikTok, go to your profile, and from here you can already see how many views your video have. Now when you open any video, you will see the view count. Sometimes you may also see a few people listed there like this way, but keep in mind they are only the people who liked your video. From here you cannot see exactly who viewed your video unless they liked it. So in that case, go to the hamburger menu, and from settings and privacy, go to account, and you need to switch your account from a personal account to a business account. So once you convert your account to a business account like this way, you will get the option called View Business Suite. And from here, tap on Analytics. And now inside Analytics, you have to scroll down, go to Followers section, and then tap on See More. So here we'll see the details inside, like how many new followers you gained recently, follower age range, gender percentage, and where your followers are from, including countries and cities. You can also go to the content section to check individual videos and get more detailed performance information. So this is actually mean TikTok still doesn't allow you to see exactly who viewed your videos unless they liked it. So this is how you can actually understand what type of viewers and followers you are getting recently. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.